26th of September, and let's take a look what is going on with the Bitcoin price. Telling about local situation, we still have higher lows and we still have higher highs for Bitcoin price. That means that locally Bitcoin is in a bullish trend. However, we did not see breaking down of the level of $32,000. Why this level is so important for Bitcoin? Starting from November 2021, we had lower highs and lower lows, which means that Bitcoin was dropping for all this time, and you are able to see that our last local high was at the level of $32,000 approximately. In case we are talking about changing for the global trend, it will be really important to see how Bitcoin will break down the level of $32,000, and we will update our local high at the level of $32,000. At this point, we cannot say that finally we are telling about a bullish trend till we break down this level. To break down this level, Bitcoin would need to be really strong. At this point, we would need to take all the liquidity at the levels lower than levels of $32,000. And it is also quite possible that Bitcoin will be consolidated for some time. And that is why I explained to you that I expect Bitcoin some kind of the consolidation for maybe some continuous period, maybe for even a month, the level of $26,000, $27,000. Why I do not expect for Bitcoin to drop under $24,800 as the level of our previous local lows. You are able to see that starting from November 2022, Bitcoin was rising. We rose for more than 60% the first time, and after this, we had a correction for the price for more than 22% approximately. And after this, Bitcoin was rising again, and we rose for more than 58%. And after this, Bitcoin dropped again for 20% approximately. And after this, Bitcoin was rising again to the level of $32,000 for more than 28% starting from global lows. And again, Bitcoin dropped for a little bit more than 20%. So each time during the local rising for Bitcoin starting from November 2022, after a local rising, we had a local correction for the price for a little bit more than 20%. 23 this time, 20% this time, and 21% this time. Can we say that this would be the final reason for us to think that this is the lowest point for us for Bitcoin correction from the level of $31,000? And can we say that starting from this point, Bitcoin will be consolidated, and after some continuous consolidation, we will see breaking down for the level of $32,000? Well, let me know in the comments what you think about this, and let me know if you think that the Bitcoin will be able to break down the level of $32,000 before December 2020. Let's take a look at our trading indicators. As I mentioned before in our previous videos, we had to open our long trade for Bitcoin as our indicator profit showed us to buy Bitcoin, and in the final end we catch Bitcoin rising for more than 0.1%, and even small profit is much better than loss. So at this point, my congratulations to everyone who opened their position with us. In case you would like to find out how you can get access to this trading indicator and other trading indicators that we use for our trades, you can check the link in the description under this video to our Discord. In the Discord, you'll be able to find out how you can get a free trial period for testing these indicators, and also you would be able to see the results of members of our community who already joined us and already made their money on trading with us and with our indicators. So do not miss your chance. Check the link in the description under this video. Telling about local situation, let's see what a trade you could open a few days ago. In our previous video, I mentioned that I recommended to open long position after the distance on the Bollinger Bands became shorter, and on closing for the price higher than the exponential moving average that you are able to see, we made more than 1% of profit locally on this hard trade. We closed our position after the price broke down the level of exponential moving average that you are able to see on the chart. So at this point, the price broke down short moving average. We were trading lower than this level. the Bollinger Bands became shorter again, and you're able to see that the distance between two Bollinger Bands is really short on 24th of September. This is not the bullish signal, this is the bearish signal, especially when we are telling about relative strength index to be traded lower than the level of 50. So at this point, closing for the price lower than exponential moving average, with the distance on Bollinger Bands became shorter, and relative strength index under 50 is a really bearish signal. So at this point, you could open your short once the candle for the price was traded under and was closed under exponential moving average. At the maximum point, you could get more than 2% of profit. However, the position is still active and we had to hold our position, and we will hold this position till we will be closed higher than exponential moving average on Bollinger Bands. Once we will break down this exponential moving average, and once the price candle will be closed higher than this exponential moving average, we will close our trade and we will fix our profits. Let me know in the comments what you think about Bitcoin. Let me know if you open with local short and if you see this opportunity. As usual, it was Wales Management. Wish you to have all the profitable trades, and see you in the next video.